reproduce. That is how plants multiply themselves. There are different ways in which plants multiply themselves, and it is very necessary for everyone to multiply for survival. अगर हमें अपनी पीढ़ी को जिंदा रखना है या अपने आप को कंटिन्यू करना है इस world mein, to we need to multiply. So here it is. If you like our channel, kindly subscribe for Wonder World Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Jabalpur, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start. How plants reproduce. All living things are born, they grow and finally die. Living things can also have young ones, that is, they reproduce. Plants reproduce in different ways. So in plants, they reproduce in different ways. Now we will see how new plants grow. New plants grow from seeds. Now how does these seeds grow and what is inside a seed? See, you might have seen if we put chana, sega chana in soil, थोड़ी दिन में उससे plant आने लगता है. तो how is that? ये जो plant आता है उस seed से, that is germination. So ये germination कैसे हो रहा है? Germination, it requires air, water and warmth. First, before we start with germination, let's see what is inside a seed. Inside a seed, there are three main parts. See, there you can see it on the screen. A seed has a seed coat which protects the baby plant. The seed leaves that have food stored in them. The baby plant uses this till it grows its own leaves. The seed also contains the embryo. The embryo, this grows into baby plant. There you can see it in the seed. And this seed आप अपने घर में राजमा, चना कुछ भी ले लीजिए तो ये सब आपको देखने मिलेगा. And फिर इस seed से plants कैसे बनता है? That is germination. The growing of baby plant from a seed is known as germination. Germination requires air, water and warmth. उसको गर्माहट भी चाहिए होती है और air and water तो सभी को चाहिए. A germinating seed needs air to breathe. Water softens the seed coat so the embryo can come out. The water and the stored food in the seed leaves mix to make a soluble liquid for the embryo. The warmth makes the cells of the embryo active so that they start growing up and multiplying. Now next we come to सीड डिस्पर्सल. अब अगर ये सीड्स बन गए और एक ही जगह ग्रो होंगे तो सब प्लांट्स एक जगह उगने लगेंगे. इसलिए सीड्स का डिस्पर्सल बहुत नेसेसरी है. दैट इज द स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ सीड इज वेरी नेसेसरी. अब ये स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ सीड किससे होती है? सी, विंड, ऑफ कोर्स विंड, हवा आती है और सीड्स इधर उधर उड़ सकते हैं. वाटर, पानी में जो सीड्स गिरते हैं वो वाटर अपने साथ ले जाता है. एनिमल्स दे ईट द सीड्स लाइक गिलहरी, you know, the squirrel, it eats the seed and when it shits or when it takes it out, you don't know where it's going to take it out. And another method is explosion. एकदम जैसे कि पी है या pods हैं वो explode करते हैं और इस तरह से explosion is also another method. So wind, the example of wind is cotton. Water में जो पास रहता है that is coconut trees. Animals, there are many animals which helps in carrying over the seeds. And explosion, I gave you the example of pea and pods. Now let's see how do new plants come from spores. आपने fern trees देखी होंगी. It is shown on the screen also. छोटे छोटे ये जो brown होते हैं, these are called spores. And from each spore, a new plant grows. You can see a mushroom also, that is another fungi. This is also they also make spores and new plant grow from them. Then new plants from their different parts. अब बहुत सारे ऐसे पार्ट है जिनसे न्यू प्लांट्स हो सकते हैं. आपने देखा होगा कई बार गार्डन में we just take out the plant, एक डंडी नहीं लेते हैं और उसको अपन लगा देते हैं तो उससे भी प्लांट आ जाता है. Ginger or potato. Potato is an underground stem. It has eyes. आपने देखा होगा जब potatoes बहुत पुराने हो जाते हैं तो जैसा आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है वैसा उनमें से आँख अपन हिंदी में उनको आँख बोलते हैं, वो दिखने लगती हैं. And when you cut this and if you plant it, another new plant will grow from this. Then there is bryophyllum. There are leaves, some leaves which helps where in these leaves new plants grow from their edges, such as leaves such leaves are heavier and remain near the grounds, like bryophyllum. Then we eat sweet potato. We are usually actually eating the root of the plant, and the new plant can grow from this root. Now next we come to crops. Now what is crops? Plants which are grown in a large area for food or other uses are called crops. Growing crops is called cultivation. Now there are different types of crops which are grown, and the crops are rice, jute, wheat, jowar, bajra, cotton, tea, coconut, maize, and there are different types of soil these need. Like rice and jute, they need clay soil and lots of water. Wheat, it needs sandy soil and has to be irrigated. Jowar, bajra also needs the same type of soil as the wheat. Cotton needs rich black soil. So different types of soils are needed for different types of crops. Next we come, now what is farmers' work? The farmers, Indian farmers are really known for their hard work. The farmer, they grow the plants. What they do, they make the soil, they plow the soil, they plant the seeds, then they irrigate the land, and this way they get the plants, and such whatever they grow, that is the crop, and that is what we eat. These seeds is what we eat. Now next we come to growing and protecting. This I have already told you, they protect the plant so that animals don't graze out. Next we come to harvesting, storing and transporting. That is, the seeds are now fully grown, it's in this field. Now they have to be cut, that is harvested, and then they have to be stored. When they are stored, it should not have any moisture. नहीं तो moisture में seeds खराब हो जाती हैं. And after that they have to be transported to the market, so from where we buy these things. And this is the way we get our food or our crops right from the farmer's land to the market. I am sure you might have understood the lesson. If not, you can put it in the comment box. I will surely answer to that with this. Thank you.